What's up, YouTube? I got a great video for you today, man. I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how to earn money online anywhere from $100 to $325 per day from Google without investment. That's right. There's absolutely no money needed in this video. You can start as soon as you finish this video. So don't even wait. Make sure you get a head start and make sure you capitalize on what I'm going to mention in this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. This is going to be by far one of the easiest methods. So I'm going to share with you at least an hour per day to set this up. So you don't need a lot of time. So there's absolutely no complaining here. It does not require any money. As I mentioned before, you can do this from anywhere in the world because I have so many people on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't so far, what's taking you so long? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, smash that bell notification, subscribe to the YouTube channel so every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So show some love. Comment in the comment section, make money online, Google or Google make money, whichever way, I'll be really appreciated, right? So there's no experience needed for this. It is beginner friendly. And I want you to stay all the way to the end of this video because I'm going to give you some free tools. I'm going to give you bonuses to maximize your results. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. I know some of you sometimes would try to skip ahead and try to go to the end, but let me tell you, you don't want to miss out the middle. You don't want to miss out the end. And of course, the beginning, because sometimes I'll drop, some really cool information in the middle and also at the end, and you'll miss out. So make sure you watch it all the way through. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, become a part of it, and we're going to get started today. So this is the channel. And what I'm going to share with you today is not about affiliate marketing. It's not about coaching or consulting. It's not about e-commerce. It's not about Shopify. It's none of that. I'm going to show you how to pull in $100 to $325 per day from Google using this method. Are you ready? Let's do this. So I'm going to head over to the website, and this website is called listverse.com. That's right, listverse.com. Now, stay with me here, and I'm going to share with you how this is possible. All right, as you can see, this is live, and I'm doing this right now, and we're going in. So this particular website talks about the top 10 of everything. Like, they're going to pay you to actually use the platform. So if you look on here, you see 10 total baseless ways people have tried to slander Gandhi. Everybody know who Gandhi is. 10 ways a kitchen can hurt you more than a tortured chamber, right? These are the 10 ways. Top 10s, 10 Trump conspiracy, 10 psychics who solve crimes, 10 active shooter drills gone horribly wrong. So if you look in here, you can see nonstop people are making money just by doing this. So if you look over here in the entertainment section, there's so many different things because people come on here and they like to see what are the top 10. Lifestyle, there's science, there's society, and there's so much more, right? So if you want to be able to make money, and this particular website is going to make you $100 per day if you could submit one article. That's right. So you're going to get paid just to submit the article and earn money online, and you can make $100 per day. As soon as they approve it, they're going to send the money directly into your PayPal account. Now, some of you probably saying, well, Andre, I don't know how to write. I got you. I'm telling you right now, I have you. I got you. I'm going to show you where you can get information that is not copyrighted. It's stuff that you can use. All you have to do is make a little tweaks to it, and you're golden. You're in the bag. So stick with me here all the way to the end. So right as you can see, you're going to get paid $100. Do you want to learn how to make money? Like, they're looking for people all the time. If you submit, right, you can write a list, the 10 items per list minimum. So top 10 of anything. And once you send it in, we'll reply and say great, publish, and they will send you $100 right out the gate. So if you don't have an account, you could sign up for free. It is absolutely free. And that's how it works. So the only thing that we do not accept lists from writers who do not have a PayPal. That's the only downside. And if you don't have a PayPal account, I do apologize. But hopefully the next website that I'm going to share with you on this video can really help you how to make at least $100 or even $325 from Google. Okay, so these are some of the rules. So pay close attention to the rules. Like just come through here, read through the rules, because you want to make sure that you don't submit something that is wrong. Now, as I said before, if you don't know how to write, you don't know how to come up with ideas, I got you. I'm going to share with you the tools and the things that you can use so you can get started right after this video and make more money. So there's like pictures, there's video. We'll send you in a list. You don't need to include images or videos. That's the thing. You don't have to put those things on there, right? Our team of editors does a great job of selecting like the best image to complement your writing. So let's say you put a top 10 together and you have absolutely no image because the pictures or the videos or for somebody else, you don't have to worry because they got you. They're going to make sure that they add all image, add all videos that they think that will link directly to whatever you're talking about. So you're ready to start, you just head on over and you just submission form and you can get writing. So if you click on it, right, this is what it looks like. So submit a list. Before you submit the list, you want to make sure that you proofread it, you edit it, all that good stuff. Lists must not duplicate content found on Listverse or other sites, including YouTube. So you can't really say, all right, I'm going to go and, take stuff from Google or all that type of stuff. You don't want to do that. Even if you go get inspiration from them, you want to make it unique because otherwise you're not going to make $100. So you can make $100 per day just by doing this and just add it on Google. So you put your full name, put your email address here, you put your PayPal account, put in like the author blurb, right? So that's going to be you. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Put the top 10 here, clear instructions, the list, and all you got to come up with is 2,200 words is best. So come up with that. Once you do that, you submit, look at the payment terms, and they will reach out to you and say, great work. They will send you your money into your PayPal right away. Excuse me. So that's how easy and simple it is. So what I'm going to do over here, as you can see, this is the next website that I'm going to share with you. So this website is paying you $325, right? $325, to post articles on here because all these articles are going to be showing up on Google. That's the way how you can make money from Google just by doing that. So if you look over to the right-hand side, there's our copywriting, SEO copywriting, how to use all these things. So people are always consistently putting up information all day long. So they're looking for writers, they're looking for people like you to put it out there so that way they can post your stuff on Google, post it all over the internet, and that's how you're going to be making money. So if you've gotten this far, keep watching because I'm going to share with you the tools, how to generate the keywords, how to also come up with content so you don't have to worry about all these things. So as I told you before, I got you. So if you want to work for these guys, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So when you come down here, you can click on where it says write for us. Now you can come and you can look through here. So here is how to pitch or write a guest post for, for copy hackers. So a guest post can be a great Facebook share, tweets, backlinks, all that type of stuff. So that's how it is. First things first, we only respond to posts you would like to pursue. So we accept 1 to 50 pitches, and only the third of those get published. So you want to put them out. So let's say you pitch them once, and they're like, all right, cool. That didn't work. You pitch them again. All right, cool. Boom. You pitch them a third one. Hey, you're in the bag, right? So that's how it works. So be awesome. You'll know if you are, no explanation needed. So they're looking for fun people that will put in some love inside of their work, and so they can publish it on Google. So right here is about $325 if you got accepted. Listen, $325 just to write an article, that ain't bad. Like, that's how you can make money. You can make money and you can come through here, read up through all these stuff, and see what they're looking for. So just take your time, comb through this, see exactly the criteria, see how you can, put out your best foot, and then you just post your stuff. And once you post your stuff, we'll email you back within like 5 days after, so if you start cranking them out, eventually you're gonna start getting published and they're gonna start making money. Now, as I said before, I got free tools and software that you can use where you can find good writing, you can find good top 10 lists and all that. So you want to head on over to a particular website. It's called essaytopicgenerator.com. So you can come on here and you can type in whatever topic that you're looking for, whether it's general, whether it's argumentative, right? Whether it's persuasion, whether it's cause-effective classifications, all these type of things. These are the areas that you can find. So there's a lots of different things. So once you type in what you're looking for, you click on here. So let's go with general. All right, general, and we're gonna go with general tourism. So we go best vacation. All right, top 10 best vacation spots. Let's do that. I'm going to generate, and what it's going to do is going to start to populate a list of things that you can start to write about, things that you can start to come up with great ideas, like all these things. Like you could come up here and be like, top 10 dream vacation, top 10 how to plan a vacation, top places you went on vacation to, right? So these are some of the things that you can come up with. Now, once you find the keywords that you're looking for, and also on here, this particular website to give you inspiration and ideas from this essay topics, how are we gonna do? We need to find content that we're gonna write about these topics. So there's two particular websites that I said I wanna share with you. Essay Topic Generator, this is the free tool that you can use, and this is the bonus that I wanted to give you. Now you want to go to plrplr.com. Once again, plrplr.com. Once you come on here, if you look over to the right-hand side, there's endless of information that you can write about, right? Lots of stuff. So you can talk about boats. Let's say you talk about boats, you click on here. Now, these have no ratings. This have like 1 vote. So you can click on here, and PLR, these are information that you can use anywhere. It's free information. Nobody's going to charge you for it. Nobody's going to do you all that. So these are some of the things that, right, that you can start talking about. Like if you come over here to like article marketing, and let's say you click on this, right? So if you look, these are writings. This is what, Word over 501. So you can always put things together, and you can get 3 or 4 inspiration from this one thing. So keep reading, and you could copy and paste it, but you don't want to just literally just take everything and just like slap it on there. You want to make sure at least you read through it and make it your own. Once you make it your own, then you're going to put it on these particular platform, and that's how you're going to you're going to get accepted. You can make $100 per day. You can make $325 per day from Google. Some money without absolutely no investment. So I just shared with you how to earn $100 to $325 per day online from Google without investment. So you absolutely need no money to get started, and you can start right after this video. So I do hope you enjoy this video. So remember, like, comment, share, let somebody know about this video because it can help them. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see what I do for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description, and I'll send you over some more information so you can see what I'm doing. Peace.